If your electric bill has recently skyrocketed and you're not sure why, then this video is for you. Hey guys, this is Richard with Mr. Electric of Chapel Hill and Cary. Today we're talking about energy efficiency and the reasons that your electric bill could be much higher than you've anticipated. A lot of people think their energy bill has gone up for seasonal reasons like AC, heat, more people being home during the summertime, and things like that. That's part of it, but many other things have changed like rates, demand usage, and the fact that houses now are using way more power than they were ever designed for. Things like more TVs, more appliances, more gaming systems, and especially EV chargers. All these things put a major stress on your home's electrical system. When we do our whole home electrical safety checks, we find many things that aren't necessarily dangerous, they're just very inefficient. Things like outdated panels, lighting, overloaded circuits, and small things that quietly waste energy over time. Nothing exciting like arcing and sparking, just electricity doing more work than it really needs to. The tricky part to this is it's not always visible. Your lights still turn on, your appliances still work, but behind the scenes, your electrical system is working way harder than it needs to, and your power bill really shows it. An electrical efficiency check looks at your system as a whole, and each individual component, and what is drawing so much power and why. It's not about selling you stuff, it's about seeing what's going on exactly with your electrical system. If your power bill caught you off guard this month like a lot of people, it might be worth taking a closer look at it and seeing what's going on. Sometimes very small improvements can make a big difference.